Yeah, they do.
No.
Goose got teeth, son. Trust me.
No.
They got teeth like little razor fish.
No, they ain't lethal. Man dies from duck attack. Shut up.
Geese do not have teeth.
Yes,
No.
they fucking do.
They just gobble, man. It's like two spatulas together.
Anything fresh, eh?
Not bad for brushed, I guess. That's 3 cell, right? 4. Oh, that's the. There's your problem. Don't go too far, man, because the smoke will come out of that thing.
It's already slowing down. What's going on here?
Maybe you should check heat already. Are you sure that pump is circulating water?
Yeah. I see it coming out. Oh,
Oof.
problem.
You kidding? That look. Look at the smoke coming out. I told you. Oh, you're so lucky it happened over here.
Dude, I can smell it.
It's on fire.
A little bit.
Is it really?
Oh yeah.
I ain't dunking it. You dunk it.
Let me get that lipo out of there first.
Yeah.
Oh, at least we still got something that works. All right. So it don't like 4 cell. That's clear.
It was slowing down anyway. That's for sure.
Easy, dude. If there was a human in that, he'd be dead already.
What's going on there?
Is that full power?
Yep.
Holy jeez, we're batting 1,000. Oh, there's stuff hanging off it a little bit. That could be. Oh yeah.
Is that a problem?
That's a problem.
The thing turns like ridiculous, eh? If there's a human in it, he'd be dead. If you put a hamster in there, he'd be dead from the G-forces. I'll call you right after this if you want. Hey, you're gonna wear the tire, dude. That's a trip. What if you got like 5 boats doing that?
The center of it gets really haywire.
That's cool, man.
Here's your start handing out cards. You got a crowd. We'll walk up down dock. Anybody want a card? Anybody want a card? Ah, yeah. Somebody say though. Definitely turns left way faster.
Oof.